Welcome again to class. Now look at this question, this UTME question before us. Now remember that this exam is time bound. So most times when you look at the question, you have to look for what is the easiest approach. How can we solve this question with the allotted time? Okay, now we're given this question. This is a gas law question. A given mass of gas occupies 2 dm cubed. This is the first volume at a temperature of 300 Kelvin. Now they said at what temperature will its volume be doubled at constant pressure? Now that means this question we're not working with pressure. We're only dealing with what? Volume and temperature. And what gas law is that? That will be Charles' law. Remember that Charles' law says that the volume of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to its temperature in Kelvin, provided that the pressure remains constant. Now remember that the pressure is constant, so Charles' law is actually an isobaric reaction. Okay, now that's by the way. So we're working with Charles' law, which says that volume is directly proportional to temperature. Now from this, look at this. They said at what temperature will its volume be doubled at constant temperature? So I'm looking at constant pressure, pardon me. Now I'm looking for the temperature, right? At which the volume will be 2 times of the original amount. And we know that there is a direct relationship between volume and temperature, meaning that if volume increases, temperature will increase in the same form. If my volume decreases, temperature will also decrease. So if we're given the first volume 2 dm cubed, okay, and the first temperature at 300 Kelvin. Now, what temperature would it be if my volume is doubled? So if I increase volume, of course, it is expected that the temperature will what? Increase by the same factor. Isn't that true? So I am doubling my volume. So invariably, I don't even need to use V1 over T1. I don't need to do this to waste my time. Since I know that there is a direct relationship between them, if you increase V by a particular factor, T will also increase by that factor. If you decrease V by a particular factor, T will also decrease by that factor. So if I'm doubling my volume, it means that my temperature must also what? Double. I don't need to solve. So what would that be? If the initial one is 300 Kelvin, double it. What would be my answer? 600 Kelvin. So the answer to this UTME question is 600 Kelvin. I hope you understand. I'll see you. Stay with me. Like my videos, keep sharing and follow, and let's do this together.